Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, an error occurred, error exchanging code for token, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this solution is very easy to solve. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections. After that, you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on a network connection, go into properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties then. After that, go into use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS here, 1.1.1.1. And in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK. And then you're going to scroll down. You're going to make sure that you untick Internet Protocol version 6. So untick IPv6 because IPv6 is having trouble with Hytale. So once you untick it, click OK here. After that, you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly. So just open up your start menu right here, date and time. Select your time zone on here. After that, click set time automatically and then click sync now. Wait for it to sync. Once it's done syncing, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you turn on Hytale, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that error exchanging code for token anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.